everybody and welcome back to this channel. Today I am doing a long awaited cleaning video. One, because I haven't done a cleaning video on this channel for like a month or even longer. Like, it's been a while since I've done a cleaning video. And two, my house really needs a clean. So we needed to do this for you guys and for me because my house was putrid and is putrid still. We just needed to clean this bad boy so it is all nice and smells good and looks good. But yes, we needed to clean this bad boy. So I'm going to take you around the house and show you guys what I'm cleaning today. So I do have, first my kitchen. So I have some pots and pans over there. I've got a bunch of dishes from last night and this morning there. I've obviously got the breakfast stuff still out. I've got all this stuff on the bench that needs to be gone. My dining table is really messy. It's really gross. It's like stuff on the floor, everything like that. My lounge room is a pigsty. I need to move this back into the playroom. There's like stuff all over the floor here. Need to pick up everything, mop, and vacuum, and I need to dust everything. I also need to throw out those flowers, I think, because they're dying. That is the playroom. It's actually cleaner than what it was yesterday. It was a pigsty yesterday, but I just need to make sure all the toys are clean and back into where they belong. To do Frederick's room because it is also a pigsty and I have a load of washing to do in his like clothes. I've also got some washing there that I need to do and all this washing here I also need to fold. And I need to bring in laundry and fold. I need to do my bedroom, but I'm going to leave it because Frederick's asleep on the bed. But I'm going to take all the washing out and do the washing, and then I'll do the bed and everything after Frederick wakes up. Frederick's bedroom is also all clean. All the cushions are over there. His bed is made. It looks nice and clean. I am going to do the bedroom now that Frederick has just woken up, and I'm also going to vacuum the rugs and the carpets in the house, but I'm too puffed. I just need a break for a little bit, and I really don't want to get out my camera again after my little break. So I am just going to do it later on. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Anyway, I'm going to get going, so I hope you all enjoyed this cleaning video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you want to see another certain type of cleaning video or decluttering video, please let me know down below, and I'm happy to do that for you guys. But I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.